Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Windows 11 using USB flash drive because of this error, that is Windows cannot open the required file install.esd, and the error code is 0x8007000B. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So go to Windows 11 website and download the ISO file. So you can select the version over here and then click on download now, and then select the product language. Make sure that you select your language over here, and then click on 64-bit download and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, now you can go to Google, and in Google you can type in Rufus and then go to this website and then scroll down and you will see the download option. For me, you can download this exe file. Be aware of ads. Now once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on yes, yes. Now in my case the USB flash drive is already selected and it's disk or ISO image. You have to select the image from here. You can go to the download. In download I can see the file, select it, and over here you can start. Now before you do this, make sure that your flash drive is empty, and before you select your drive, you can format your drive once. So click on format and then click on start. But before you format, make sure that you create a backup. So if you have something important in your flash drive, just create a backup and then format. So once the format is complete, now you can click on start. And let the process complete. So here you can see warning, all data on the device, your flash drive will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click on OK. And it will create a bootable media. So let the process complete. Now once you see this ready option highlighted, that means it's ready to use. You can close this. And once this is closed, you can open File Explorer, go to this PC. You can open you can use your flash drive. So this flash drive has all the bootable files. Now you can eject this flash drive and you can plug it to the computer and you can install Windows 11. You should not face that error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And you can also visit this link. I made a separate video on how to install Windows 11 using USB flash drive. So you can check this video.